Welcome to School of English. In this lesson, we're going to study the use of present continuous tense. Where do we use present continuous tense? The first one is its main usage for the actions taking place at the moment of speaking. Now, for the actions taking place now. We are having an exam right now. People in Africa are suffering from drought at present. The instructor is talking about the new regulations at the moment. These are the examples. And the second usage, we use present continuous tense for the actions around now, not necessarily at the moment of speaking. Let's have a look at the examples. The government is trying to take action against inflation at the moment. Maybe there is no specific action against inflation at the time of speaking, but this is the task they are dealing with in these days. So, maybe not now, but around now. Okay? And the other example, the company is looking for new markets these days. The third example, the environmentalists are fighting against whale hunting in the Pacific at present. For the actions, as I said, around now, not necessarily at the moment of speaking. And the third usage, we use present continuous tense for gradual change and development. See, finding a job is getting harder day by day. This indicates the gradual change. Okay? New technological inventions are becoming more and more important in our lives. More and more indicates gradual change and or development here. Your writing skills are improving very rapidly. Very rapidly indicates development here, gradual development. Okay? And another usage of present continuous tense is not its main role, it's for future. We use present continuous tense for definitely arranged near future actions. Look, the important thing here is definitely arranged. The actions, these actions, in order for you to use them with present continuous tense, those actions must be definitely arranged, planned. Something should be done before for these actions. The students are having a party tonight. The students, this is not an instant action, okay? It's planned. Maybe they bought the drinks. Maybe they hired a place for the party. Okay? The world's biggest trade organizations are meeting in Davos next weekend. And the third example here, I'm going on a vacation tomorrow night. See? Okay? And the last one, the last use of present continuous, with always, constantly, forever and continually, to indicate complaint. Look, normally these expressions, always, constantly, forever and continually, indicate simple present time. But this is an exception. You can use them with present continuous tense to indicate, to express your complaint. Mary is always finding excuses for her rudeness. This is a complaint. My friends are constantly making fun of me. And Tom is forever here means continually, don't forget. Tom is forever neglecting his duties. Okay? These are the uses of present continuous tense in detail. Thanks for watching.